Brownie is an interesting mix. He is a Chihuahua mix. We're not exactly sure what he's mixed with, but he's a little bigger than your typical Chihuahua. He's about 7 years old. He's got great chocolate and white fur. He's just a handsome little guy, but he does have some things that are important for any potential adopter to know. He came in with an ear infection, so he's currently being treated for that. And then he also tested Lyme positive. So that means that he has been bitten by a mosquito or a tick and has been infected with that. So he is not showing symptoms of Lyme disease right now. So we're not treating him with the antibiotic, which we typically use, doxycycline. But if he were to start showing those symptoms, that's something that you want to make sure that you're getting treated, and could be an expense as he starts showing those symptoms and you have to do that 30-day cycle of doxycycline. It's going to be important to make sure that he's getting his preventative so that it doesn't get worse. And there's also a Lyme vaccine that you can talk to your vet about. So that's going to be an important thing. Another important factor is that Brownie here needs to go to a home where the children are at least 10 or older, or adults only, because he can have a little bit of a short fuse. He does not like to have certain parts of his body touched or handled, so not really loving having his feet handled or his mouth handled, and he doesn't like restraint. So here they had to kind of muzzle him for his vet check. So that's something that you're going to need to take into consideration as well, making sure that you train him to wear a muzzle so that he can get seen by the vet, which is a very important and necessary thing, without any issues. You can always talk to a trainer or behaviorist about how to get him familiar with that muzzle and how to work with him on making those areas of his body easier to handle. Or you can consult with your vet or do a little even research on your own. But those are going to be some important factors. Because he is over the age of 5, he will be going home for our senior adoption fee. So instead of going home for the normal adult dog fee of $92.50, he'll be going home for $72.50 if you were to adopt Brownie.